YouTube channel.
This is my Google Pixel 2 model Android smartphone. I unlocked my phone through a hard reset after forgetting my password. Now it asks me to log in with previous password or Gmail ID while setting up again. But I don't know any of my previously used passwords or Gmail IDs. To solve this problem, I will bypass the FRP lock of this phone. First, I need to connect to Wi-Fi on my phone. Verify pattern. Your phone was reset to factory settings. Enter PIN to unlock it. I don't know the password to verify the pattern lock. Verify your account. Use your Google account. The account will be added to this device and available to other Google apps. I don't know the Gmail ID I used before, so I'll click the back button and go to the welcome screen. So by following the instructions I have shown you, you too can easily unlock your phone. Now click on See All Wi-Fi Networks. Then click on the Add Network option. Now click on the microphone icon. Allow keyboard to record audio. Click Deny Microphone Permission. Again click Deny Microphone Permission. Gboard needs microphone access to enable voice typing. Now click on the Allow option. Now click on the Permissions option. Click on the search icon above and search Chrome browser. Now open the Chrome browser. Type gsmfavor.com in the address bar. Enter GSM Favor website. Click on the menu and go to the FRP Bypass Apps page. I'll check to see if I can set a send lock. Unable to set pattern lock, need to try another way. Click on the Open Settings Options link. Go to Accessibility Options and enable the Accessibility menu shortcut option. Go to Accessibility Options and enable the Accessibility menu shortcut option. I will now click the back button and go to the Apps and Notifications option. Click See All option. Now find Google Play Services. Disable Google Play Services. And force stop of Android setup apps. Now click the back button to go to the welcome screen. Click Offline Setup. When the text, "Just wait," keeps coming back, click on the Accessibility Shortcuts bar and click on the Google Assistant option. Now enable the Google Play Services option. Now the phone is completely unlocked. Now follow the instructions I show you and set up the phone. Stay tuned to our channel and subscribe to get more new videos like this.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.